Hey guys, it's Rita. It's around 11 p.m. and it is late and it's dark out here, but I've got to get this video out tonight. So I'm participating in the DIY Mommies Outdoor DIY and Decor Spring 2019 Challenge, and Christina, I hope I got that right. But I'm going to link the playlist below so you can check out all the other participants, and I'll link the DIY Mommies channel below as well. So I did 3 DIYs for this project, and then of course decorated the outdoors. My first DIY, I lost all the footage, so I'm going to flip you around here in a minute and just show you and walk you through what I did. And then I'll just put in some clips from the other 2 DIYs because I don't want to put in the whole DIY. It would just take too much time. So I'll flip you around, show you this first one, and we'll get on with the rest of it. And thanks again, Christina, for hosting. I really enjoyed participating. So the first DIY is this cushion. These are my outdoor chair cushions, and I do have 6. They were green originally, and they were faded, and there goes my cat. Move. Anyway, they were faded and they had started ripping, and I got this idea from Mrs. V, and I'm going to link her video below. I don't have a video anyway, I lost it. But thank you, Mrs. V, for this idea. It turned out great. So I was able to cover 2 cushions with 1 tablecloth, so I used a total of 3 tablecloths, and all I did was cut it to fit and then kind of wrapped it like a Christmas present and used hot glue. As you can see, it's kind of wrapped there, and then right here it's glued down. But yeah, I think it turned out great, and it's a very cheap alternative until I can go out and buy some more cushions, because I'm sure this won't hold up forever, of course, especially with the pool and the kids jumping around and getting it wet and this, that, and the other. But it will work for now, and I think it turned out really cute. So I'll get on to some clips from the other 2 DIYs, and then the grand finale, the final outdoor project. Now this is my next DIY. I used a bag of shells from the Dollar Tree, and actually some other shells, different types from another bag. I've hot glued these together, but I do recommend using E6000 or super glue as well. And I just placed them together like this. I did 2, and then I cut out a piece of canvas and painted it, and I'm going to glue these down to it and create a napkin holder. And here's what it looks like. And here it is on the counter, and I'll place some napkins in it so you can see how it looks. Now here are the napkins I had on hand, but I do have some different napkins when you see the final project. Hey everyone, I am sorry, but I'm outside and going to try to take my succulents out of this pot. They are crammed in, and I have 4 little succulent DIYs I need to do. Trying to get this camera right. Try to dump them all out without breaking them. And they're coming out really easy, probably dry. Okay, that worked out really well. Oh my goodness, there's a ton. 2, 3, and maybe that one for the small ones. I decided I might as well stay out here because I don't want to take all that dirt in my house. So my plan, guys, is get a little dirt. I found a worm in here a minute ago. Is that a rock? It's a rock. Probably shouldn't throw that in the yard. I don't know what this stuff is. But anyway, I want to get a little dirt, and I really don't know how to do this. It's the first time I've ever done it. So like this, And then I want to put some sand in here. I have green and I have white, and I don't know which color. So I probably need to take these out until I get my sand in. And you guys, if I've done anything wrong, please tell me, because this is my first time ever putting anything in one of these little terrarium type things. I think I'm going to do the white first. And I did read that succulents like sandy soil, so hopefully this stuff from the Dollar Tree won't kill them. Kind of wanted it to be on top so you could see it. No guys, you think I've got enough dirt in there? Bet you get the idea. I think that's going to be really cute once I get it where it looks halfway decent. So this is the idea of what I'm wanting. My camera looks like it's fading out on me. What's wrong with the light? That's crazy. Anyway guys, I hope you can see this. Let me start it again, hang on. Okay guys, so sorry about that last clip, but anyway, here is the final project. There are the cushions I did, and of course you know those plates and bowls are from Dollar Tree. There's the little terrariums. I did 2 with the white sand, 2 with the green. There is the napkin holder. I have pink flamingo napkins in there. Those placemats actually came from Hobby Lobby on their clearance sale for 99 cents each. I did the 4 terrariums, a 4-place setting on the table. I've got 2 of those little trinket trays with the flamingos in from Dollar Tree as well. And then I just have a little star basket over there that I picked up at Goodwill for, I think it was only like 49 cents when I was in Chattanooga. Of course, if you saw that video, you know that I think Chattanooga has the best prices at Goodwill. And yeah, my little cups, I only had 3 pink and 1 green. And I didn't have time to run out and buy another pink or another green, so that's what I have. But anyway, I think this area turned out really cute. The kids really liked it. They wanted me to fix them something to eat on the grill, and they wanted to eat out there. But if you'll hang on just a few minutes, I waited until it got a little darker, and I put a few candles out here, and I have some little twinkly lights also on the deck railing. And you can see what that looks like. But I really enjoyed participating in this DIY and decor challenge hosted by the DIY Mommy. Thank you so much, Christina. And in 1 second, we'll flip it over to the candle scene. So here it is, guys. It's not quite dark, but I did go ahead and place a real candle way at the other end, and then this candle closest to you is just one of the LED. It runs on batteries. And then there's those lights on the deck right there. It's kind of hard to see. But as it got darker, this was really nice, and I was really pleased with the way everything turned out. So I would like to take a moment to thank all my subscribers for showing your support. I really appreciate it. And if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you want to see more DIYs like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos. As always, guys, like, share, and comment, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.